Hello guys, I have here with me something different. These are true wireless earbuds from Oraimo. They are called the Freepod2 and they cost 9,600 naira or $22, which is a bargain. Now these earbuds come with touch controls. It's a Bluetooth 5.0 device and it has some pretty cool features that I'll be sharing with you guys. Now let's go on and unbox these earbuds, and later on I'll be sharing with you what I think about them. The Oraimo Freepods2 come in this green and black package. Some of the features it has are listed at the front, like the constant connection, rich sound, yada yada yada, but the most important thing we want to know is, do they sound good for the price and are they comfortable to use for long hours? Baba seems to think so, but let's put them to the test. Opening the box, you have the white charging case with the earpods inside them, and underneath it you have a micro USB cable to charge the case. You also get a welcome guide showing you all the features of the Freepods2. For the build quality, the charging case looks very familiar, but it's well made. The charging case will survive accidental drops, just don't smash it. Opening the case can be done with one hand and closing it makes this satisfying sound. At the front of the charging case, you have the Oraimo logo and the case status indicator that shows you the power level. When the case is fully charged, all the 3 LED lights turn green, and when the battery is drained, all the 3 LED lights flash 3 times and it goes off. At that point, it's time to charge it, and you can find the micro USB charging port at the bottom of the charging case. Now, taking out the earbuds from the case, like I said, they look familiar. I wonder where they got this design from. Anyways, the Freepods2 come with Bluetooth 5.0, which gives you a faster, stronger and better signal. It has a feature called one-step pairing. What that does is, once you've paired it with your smartphone, it automatically pairs and makes a connection with your phone as soon as you take it out of the charging case. And now we're at the most important part of this video, which is how good do they sound? Are they comfortable to wear, and should you buy them? Well, let me just put them on and test them out. Wow, it's connected to my phone already. Okay. Okay, so the sound good, the treble is good, the mids are just the way I like it, but the bass is lacking a bit. The 13mm dynamic drivers delivers clear sound. As for the volume, it can get loud but not too loud that it will start to irritate your ears and make you want to take them off. Tap and hold to the left or right earbuds for 1.5 seconds to skip or go back to the previous track. That works well as well. You can activate the Google Assistant by tapping and holding down the touch control for 2 seconds. For comfort and how they feel in your ears, they fit really good and they won't be falling off if you move around. And how long do they last? Well, at 100% battery life, the earbuds can last 3 hours 30 minutes if you're playing music, or 3 hours answering a call non-stop. The charging case has a battery capacity of 500 mAh and you can charge the earpods from 0 to 100 6 times, giving you about 18 hours usage. In conclusion, the Oraimo Freepods2, they look alright. It has some pretty cool features, the price is affordable, they sound good and feel comfortable in the ear. I really like the Freepods2. Anyways, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Valo, signing out.